Today is another day for another topic. So now, are you ready? Our lesson for today is all about the bridging the generation gap. The older generation often feels there is a generation gap between them and the younger generation. This is apparent in simple things like the manner of dressing, socializing, and more intimate relationships like friendship and marrying. Even in the education, traditional schooling has hardly changed even with the clear evidence of digital world. Reflect on how some teachers confine their teaching to the board talk test method. In the field of education, a huge generation gap also exists. It will continue to widen unless some changes are adopted at that proper time. First, we need to understand the potential of ICT. The first one is the new network of instantaneous communication is global, overcoming borders to between countries and continents. The second one is much what elders believe may not be applicable anymore to the new generation, especially along the matters of traditional value system. The third one is Alvin Toffler's book or the Future Shock show the information age has begun to create many cultural changes to family, societies, businesses, government, such as what he calls the throwaway society, modular man, kinetic images, fractured family, and etc. Given the speed and power of ICT for change, growth, innovation, it becomes critical that teachers understand the gap that may be perceived between them and the new generation of learners. As a sophisticated technology advances, as a dizzying pace, the complacency of educators to stick to that traditional education system and approaches become futile, if not retrogressive. Since the new generation are expected to face a future professional challenge of a digital world ahead of them, technology-supported skills need to be taught in school today, or else school will become a white elephant. If a school fails to respond to emergent changes and needs, new learners may lose appreciation of the educational system, drop out of school, as surveys shown an increasing dropout rate every year.